Okay, introduce myself. My name is Rivaldo. I'm from Accounting 22A. I will do presentation the nature and use of accounting. Introduce the accounting. Accounting is fundamental pillar of any business, playing the vital role in managing finance, making information decision, and ensuring long-term success. It's encompasses the system for identify, measuring, and communication financial information to various stakeholders, both internal and external, in the presentation. What is accounting? This definition, accounting is structure system and involves the identification, measurement, and communication of economic information. It provides a framework for organizing and analyzing financial data, ultimately facilitating better decision making. Key function: the primary function of accounting is to gather, process, and disseminate relevant financial data. This information is used by various stakeholders, including management, investor, creditor, and governance agency to make information judgment. Objective and benefit of accounting. Number one is support decision making. Accounting provide essential insight to guide decision-making process, both internet for management and externally for stakeholder. It helps evaluate financial performance and assess risk and plan for the future. Number two is resource management. Accounting helps this effectively manage their asset and liability by tracking financial resource. Business can optimize their use and ensure they have sufficient fund to meet their obligation. Number three, operational efficiency. Accounting play a crucial role in enhancing operational efficiency by identifying area for cost reduction, improve research calculation, and streamlining processing. Number four is risk mitigation. By analysis financial data, accounting help identify potential risks and develop strategy mitigate them. This proactive approach can safeguard the business from financial instability and protect its asset. Major field of accounting. Number one is financial accounting. Financial accounting focus to provide financial information to external stakeholder, such as investor, creditor, and the public. This information help them assess the financial health and performance of the company. Number two is management accounting. Management accounting provide information internal stakeholder. Primarily, management it support decision making with a company by providing insight on cost control, budgeting, and performance evaluation. Tax accounting ensure compliance with tax law and regulation. It involves calculation and reporting tax liability, filing tax return, and minimize tax obligation while adhering to legal requirement. Number four is auditing. Auditing involved as the independent examination of financial record and statement ensure their accuracy, completeness, and compliance with applicable accounting standard. Auditor provide an opinion on the famous of the financial statement. The next and measure in the accounting number one is monetary unit. All accounting measurements are expert in terms of specific currency. This consistency enable corporation of financial data over time and between different business. Number two is periodicity. Accounting measure of made over specific time period, such as monthly, quarterly, or manually. This allow for tracking change will performance and identify trend. And number three is objective. Accounting measurements are based on verified and objective data, ensuring the accuracy and reliability of the information. This principle relies on documentation and evidence to support financial reporting. Next is fundamental accounting. Concept number one is asset resource controlled by company that are expected to provide future economic benefit. Number two is liabilities obligation of a company to other entity which they expect to buy settle by transferring asset or providing service in future. Number three is equity. The residual interest in the asset of company after deduction liability is present to ownership claim of the owners. And number four is revenue. Increases is asset or difference in liabilities that result in a increase in equity. It's represents the inflow of economy benefit from providing goods or service. Number five is expense. Directions in asset or increases in liability that result in a directions in equity. It represent of outflow of economic benefit from providing goods or services. Next is generally accepted accounting principle atau GAAP. Number one is going concern assumes that a company will continue to operate in the foreseeable future, allowing for use historical cost and accurate accounting method. Number two is matching principle. Requires the expense to expense be recognized in the same period as the revenue that helped generate, ensuring treasure and fair reception or financial performance. Number three is realization principle. State that revenues showed by recognition is the earned equivalent of the cash is saved by principle applied to the transfer or good or service and the expectation of collection. And number four, conservation principle suggested that potential losses should be recognized immediately will potential gains sold only the economies when they are curtailed. Wow, this principle aim to prevent overstanding profit. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you.